Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings, and we've got a beard advice series where you guys can send in some pictures to me to that email address you see below. I take a look at it for a little while. You get featured in your own videos. So check that out if you haven't. And fall scents, fall scents, fall scents. I'm so excited about this package. This one is from Damn Yankee. Pete and Damn Yankee is one of my favorite companies out there. He just works so hard. He's a great guy. Very unique with some of his scents. Great labeling and artwork and presentation. And it's just one of these companies I keep coming back to every time he has a new release. I'm always excited. It seems like his scents are just most of them are right up my alley as far as they're kind of good manly kind of scents, but not cologne and that kind of stuff. So he always comes out with scents for seasonal scents, and he doesn't just come out with one. He usually comes out with four. He came out with four during the summer, and now he's come out with four for the fall. And then we've got a little something else in here too, another product release. Thanks, Banjo Man, Pete. Thanks, Pete. Oh, look at that. That's a nice seasonal sticker there from Damn Yankee with the leaf on it. Got some packing peanuts. Let's see what else we can find in here. We've got a balm for something. This one is Bountiful. I think this is the one he had last year, towards the end of last year, and he didn't get it out in time, so he had to wait like all year to come out with that. I'm just going to dump the packing peanuts on the floor here. Let's see what else we got. There's the rest of it. Got some more oils and some more oils. I think that's it. Got some on the floor. We'll clean that up later. I'm so excited about this one. He doesn't usually put them in the little tins. I think he's got I think it's plastic jars now, but he knows I like the tins. I don't want to smell the oil first on it, but I always like the tins a little bit better. I might not after I can't get it open. But I usually like it a little bit better because everything's closer to the top on that. This one's been sweating a little bit. Oh my goodness, I already smell it. That smells great. But besides the seasonal scents, we also have the new collaboration with my friend Scott from Beard Times with Scott. This one is called Panama, Cedarwood, and Cuban Tobacco. So I'm not 100% sure I'm going to like it. I love the cedarwood. I love tobacco. Sometimes for me, the Cuban tobacco can be a little too spicy for me. It kind of depends. So we'll see how this one is. So here's the Panama. Man, Pete, you sealed all this stuff up well. Oh, man. I'm going to like that. Yes, sir. That smells really good. Get that cedar wood. And then the tobacco's a little bit more there than a pipe tobacco, but it's not overly spicy peppery. I don't like the real peppery kind of Cuban cigar tobacco kind of stuff. We'll try that one out. And then this one is the Bountiful Oil, which is the one I got the balm in also. And this one is, I don't know if I see the scent profiles on here, but I'm pretty sure this one is pumpkin and pipe tobacco. And yes, that one sounds like something I would love. Yes, that is really good, really good. Bountiful. Got the balm in it too. That's really smooth. And his balm is a good medium, not on the lighter side of medium, usually just about a 3 out of 5, which works well for me. Man, that smells good. I love fall. It's been 90 degrees here today. The rest of the week is supposed to be in the 70s and 50s at night, and I'm super stoked about that. And I'm gathering all these fall scents too. Scott from Beard Times with Scott and Mo the Bearded Shark and I on October the 1st are going to be getting together and doing a live stream on the Bearded Shark's YouTube channel. So be looking for that. We've got tons of scents, all these new scents we're going to be talking about. Thankful, which is some sort of cranberry and something. I don't have it in front of me. There we go. That was nice and fruity. Almost like a fruit punch there to me to start with. So I'll be checking out that one. Cheerful is, I think it's pumpkin and bourbon, if I remember right. Ooh, that one's interesting too. I think I'm gonna like all four of these. So you get the sweet from the pumpkin, and then you get the bourbon, and it's got a little bit of that warmth to it. So that's good. And then the last one is peaceful, and I see an apple on here, so it's got to be apple or green apple and something. And I like apple scents. If you guys haven't checked out Damn Yankee, well worth it. If you haven't checked it out, it should be the #1 company on your want to try list. So make sure you're following them. It's got some good deals and stuff occasionally. That one smells like, yeah, it smells like an apple, and it's like the mountain apple. My dad has a house up on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and this season, around October and September, late September, he'll go up there and he'll get me a half a bushel of apples from the orchard, from the produce stand, that kind of stuff. And once you take all the apple, it's like you're sticking your head down in the box that those come in. So that's really, it doesn't smell fake. It smells like a real apple. So give you more information on this to come. We'll be highlighting all of these scents on the live stream as well, and then I'll probably be doing another follow-up video just for my fall scents that I like, and then I'll probably do another one just for Damn Yankee here, since I've got the Panama as well. So lots more to come from me and also from Damn Yankee Beard Company. So thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on the next video.